Thank you for staying with us. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the preliminary round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019. The scores are Lannaman's Prep on 5 and Independence City on 3. And now it's time for the face-off, where members of each team will face off against the member of the opposing team in mathematics, science, English language, and social studies. The first face-off is in math, and it's the two captains up against each other, Jaheem Smart from Lannaman's and Micah Edwards from Independence City. Jaheem, what is the sum of 570, 758, and 345?
$1,673.
Correct. What is 25% of $1,600?
$400.
Correct. If n minus 530 equals 263, what is n?
$793.
Correct. What is the value of the Roman numerals D, C, X, 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 I, 5, V rather?
634.
Correct. And what is the remainder when 590 is divided by 3? That's 5 for 5 for Jaheem. Michael, what is the sum of 802, 545, 545, and 89?
$1,426.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jaheem?
Yes, miss. 1,436.
That's correct. We're off by 10 there. Michael, what is 20% of $1,200?
$240%.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jaheem?
Yes, miss. 240.
The answer is not complete. We're looking for $240. Michael, if n minus 421 equals 316, what is n?
737.
Correct. What is the value of the Roman numerals D, C, C, X, V, I,
718.
Correct. What is the remainder when $740? Let me start again. What is the remainder when 740 is divided by 6? Would you like to try, Jaheem?
Yes, miss. 2.
That's correct. That's the end of the math face-off. The science face-off is now between Ajani Metz from Lannaman's and Nathania Baker from Independence City. Ajani, where would effort be applied on a wheelbarrow?
And the handlebars.
Correct. What type of joint is found at the knee?
Hinge joint.
Correct. What is the name given to the process by which plants lose water?
Respiration.
Repeat.
Respiration.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Natania?
No, thank you, miss.
It's transpiration. Ajani, what structure in the eye helps us to see color?
Cones.
That's correct. What separates the outer ear from the middle ear?
Auditory canal.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Nathaniel?
No, thank you,
The
miss.
eardrum is the correct answer. Your questions, Nathaniel. Where is the fulcrum located on a wheelbarrow?
In the container.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Johnny?
No, miss.
The wheel is the answer. Where in the body, Nathaniel, is the smallest bone found?
Flawless.
Speak
In
up,
the
please.
knee. In the knee.
Incorrect. Johnny, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. The ear.
That's correct. Nathaniel, which part of the plant collects water and minerals?
The root.
Correct. What shuts automatically to protect the eye from possible danger?
The eyelash.
Incorrect. Johnny, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. Eyelid.
Eyelids is correct. And Nathaniel, which part of the ear do people normally pierce to wear earrings?
The pinna.
That's correct. And we move on now to English language. This face-off is between Kiara Hood from Lannaman's and Jordan Simon from Independent City. Kiara, spell generally.
GENERALLY.
Correct. What is the comparative form of good?
Better.
Correct. What is the nationality of a person living in Greece?
Greek.
Correct. Form a verb from actor.
Active.
Judge? Incorrect. Would you like to try, Jordan?
Yes, miss. Acting.
We'll accept acting or act. Would have also been correct. Kiara, complete the English proverb. If the shoe fits,
Get it.
incorrect. Would you like to try, Jordan?
No, miss.
Wear it is the answer. Jordan, your questions? Spell fundamental.
FUNDAMENTAL.
Correct. What is the comparative form of bad?
Worst.
Repeat.
Worst.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kiara?
Yes, Miss Worse.
That's correct. Jordan, what is the nationality of a person living in Nepal?
Napoleon.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kiara?
No, Miss.
Nepalese. Jordan, form a verb from the word beauty.
Beautify.
Correct. And complete the English proverb. If wishes were horses,
Every beggar would ride them.
not correct. Would you like to try, Kiara?
No, Miss.
You're on the right track, but if wishes were horses, beggars would ride. We move on to social studies. This is the final face-off between Javal Ladenqui from Lannaman's and Ajani Gordon from Independent City. Javel, my flag is red with 5 golden stars on it. Which country am I?
China.
Correct. In which Jamaican parish can you find the Montpelier estate? Would you like to try, Ajani?
No, thank you.
It's in St. James. Javel, in which Jamaican parish can you find the town of Middle Quarters? Would you like to try, Ajani?
No, thank you.
It's St. Elizabeth. Javel, what position is given to the head of a parish council in Jamaica?
Mayor.
Correct. And what is the capital of Manchester in Jamaica?
Mandeville.
Correct. Ajani, your questions? My flag has a red maple leaf. Which country am I?
Canada.
Correct. In which Jamaican parish can you find the Appleton estate?
Clarendon.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Javel?
Yes, Miss. Saint Elizabeth.
That's correct. Ajani, in which Jamaican parish can you find the town of Buff Bay?
St. Catherine.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Javel?
Yes, Miss. Portland.
That's correct. Ajani, how is the mayor of a parish to be addressed on official occasions?
Your Worship.
Or his worship or her worship, correct. And what is the capital of St. James in Jamaica?
Montego Bay.
That's correct. And that's the end of the face-off between Lannaman and Independent City.
Independent City Primary is on 13 points at the end of round 2, while Lannaman's Prep remains in the lead with 25 points.
We go for a break and then it will be time for the final challenge. So please stay with us. You're watching Quest for Quiz.